control, and then start bringing that intensity in. Isn't that right?
Yeah, not agree.
Moderate intensity today, isn't it?
It's moderate.
In 3, 2, 1. I'm really getting a good combination there, Alex, of lat kicking the leg and lungs working up.
Feels the heart rate up when you put the arm.
It really does. This is the last one of these, and then it's your turn.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's a little dip. Throw the punch. Feels good, this. Now, this is the last one, so really put in what you can now. Give it what you can. Focus. Determination. Desire. Come on. Breathe it through. Keep working. Come on. In 3. In 2. In 1.
Good, okay, a little bit of recovery.
Make sure you have this out by
Have a sip of water, H2O. Okay, got a double side step shuttle. Shooting across the mat. I'll show you, this way. Down, down, boom, okay? 30 seconds, you ready?
Yeah, let's start off a little slow and then we can pick it up as we get it.
3, 2, go. 1, 2, tap, good. 1, 2. That's it. So just get used to the rhythm first, and then it's up to you. You can speed it up, you can widen the step, you can get lower, okay, stay low. Whatever you do, just keep that intensity.
Should we be keeping our shoulders back and proud?
Yeah, absolutely. It's all about pulling in through the core, stabilising that body. You've got a few more. 3 and 2. Let's do one more. That's it. Recovery in 15 seconds.
That's surprisingly challenging now.
It
It's a good one.
Yeah. Travelling from side to side, any movement where you're having to travel definitely builds up that heart rate.
You're really getting the adductors in, aren't you?
3, 2, go. 1, 2, down. Inner and out and high. Control, control. Then you come down and push up. Good.
This is building up now.
Yeah. Again. Your workout. You choose the intensity. 3. Good. 2. Finish off one more. And that's it. Well done.
You
Good.
put the extra one in, don't you?
Oh.
I'm sure
Every
the 30
second.
seconds was up there.
Every second. Squeeze it out.
I love this. Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, go. 1, 2.
We're dialing it up now, yeah?
A little quicker, a little lower. In fact, you can stay low. And then react and come on. Good.
Wish you hadn't said that.
Have a go up the hat.
Don't feel you have to. This is right. I told you I was quite good at this.
It's all for your benefit.
It's true. All good.
That's it. Yeah. Good. Let's do one more. One more. Finish off this end. That's it. Yay.
I tell you, that was brilliant.
Good.
That was fantastic.
Thanks for taking part in H2O. I hope you're enjoying it.
Yes, and if you want to talk to us about it more, come and chat at facebook.com/bodyproject social, instagram.com/team bodyproject, links below. If you want to do an even bigger plan with us, come and check us out at teambodyproject.com. They've got to get back to it, don't they?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's Chevy Truck, and it's time to add the perfect accessories to the new Chevy. Make it bolder.
Okay, so I want to get to a nice wide squat position.
Toes out.
Toes out a little bit so the knee tracks over the toes.
Yep. Nice.
Shoulders proud. We're going to double touch the floor and we're going to reach the sky.
Okay. Good.
3, 2, 1. Touch, raise. And slow it down a little bit there, Alex. You want to go up quickly. Get it formed first.
That is H2O. That's what it is. I want to get this 20 minutes done.
Well, that was great, isn't it?
Yeah.
20 minutes.
To the
It
best.
doesn't feel like there's any reason. Keep your shoulders proud, Alex.
And you, oh, sorry.
Don't arch.
And the thing is, yeah, you get bossy now, so the problem. Good, keep going.
3, 2, 2, 1. See, that was right on the 30 seconds up
Yeah.
there. It's never a second more. Get that marching done. So, keep them shoulders proud.
A little bit more posture. Let's
See,
go.
we've got to get it right too. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's easy to miss it. Slow it down if you have to. More engaged. Look at this feet. Imagine there's a seat behind you, sitting back onto it. Get on now. Here we go. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay focused. In 3, 2, and 1. Do march.
Yeah, moving.
How'd you find this one?
I like this one. It feels like everything's sort of opening and stretching at the same time.
Yeah, I like the wide position on the squats.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm
In
ready.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Strong. Shoulders back and proud. Lift your head, don't look at the floor. Core, nice and tight. You've done 3. Pick it up now, Alex. Pick it up. You can do it. Your pace, your work. Stay with it. Come on. Right. In 3. Here we go. In 2. Yes. In 1.
My 30 seconds actually goes quick.
It really does.
Yeah, it's good.
What have you got for us?
Okay, so you've got 2 gates. 1, 2, 2 lunges. 1, 2, and then back. 1, 2, 2 lunges. You ready?
Yes, short lunges, aren't
Short
they?
lunges, yeah. In 3, 2, go. 1, 2, good. 1, 2, and back. Over. Slow it down. Control. 1, 2, good. Over. Over. Back. Back. Good. Open. Good. That's it. It's nice. Whoa. It makes you think too. Try and use the legs as your mat at the side. And then you feel like you give yourself. Yeah? One more. 2, and back. Well done. Good. Okay. Shake it out.
If I imagine there's something
Yeah.
taking...
You've got an obstacle you've got to get over.
Exactly, yeah.
3, 2, let's do it. Go. 1, 2, good. We're going to miss that knee. Open the knee. 1, 2, now 1, 5. It's a little bit stiffer. Got to work a little bit harder. Good. 1, 2, more.
You love an extra one. You're 30 seconds. 35 to you, I love it. When our children are naughty, I forgive them. One more.
3, 2, go. 1, 2,
Silent up.
a little bit faster. I think now. 1, 2. Just don't get clumsy with it. Try and really still keep the form. 1, 2. Good. Push. Push. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Behind the knee. Don't get clumsy with it.
Don't do what I did.
Good. One more. That's it. And back. Awesome.
Get some water. Stay hydrated.
What you got?
Okay. We've got knee repeaters. 30 seconds on each side, okay? Core's got to be really strong with it. Get the left leg forward first.
Double hands.
Double hands, nice and strong. 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1. So just control it up.
This one I like because it really works. Abdominal muscles really, really engage.
You really can. Remember to breathe. Keep that balance. And if you want to, even now, you can start up in that intensity. Work it through. This is a tough one. Push, push, push. In 3, in 2, in 1. And the other side. You want to pick it up? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Nice balance. Core is what can hold you together, dude. Really drive the knee up into the hand. Lifting the arms up. A bit of shoulder work there as well. Core work too. Heart and lungs. Abs on fire. Here we go. Right here, right now. Ice, ice, baby. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. I wonder how many people are old enough to get that reference.
Love that song.
Oh, young enough.
Young enough, exactly.
Left leg forward.
I normally do 15 minutes of my workout on live. And I'm going to do the rest of the 15 not on live. Make sure y'all join me every day. Make sure y'all continue to follow my page. Thank you for those that's following my page and my journey. Make sure you continue to follow my page, my journey. I'm going to be telling you guys why I decided to go plant-based. So follow my page. Make sure y'all follow me. Stay consistent with your workouts. Catch y'all on the next video.